Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is Alina here. I'm calling from Phone House Company. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. Who is it, sorry?
It's a Phone House Company and my name is Alina and we are offering a 30% discount on the mobile contract.
Yeah, please fuck off and never call me again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bitch. Right, lads, got a special one here. I mean, first of all, look at that. Doesn't that just look fucking gorgeous? Second of all, had a bit of a whoopsie. I'm not going to go into it. If you've seen my bar install, you'll know what might have happened if I've added it in. If not, needless to say, I've had this bike for 5 days. And like I said, had a bit of a whoopsie. Anyway, so I've gone and got the F3 lever from ASV. It's been a very, very expensive week. Well, expensive day. And we're just going to install this. It's going to be a fairly simple install, and for this particular bike what you'll need is not this because it's the wrong one, but you'll need a 4mm Allen key hex, and then you'll need a 10mm wrench spanner. And all we're going to do is we are going to, underneath here there's an 10mm nut, and you're just going to smash the shit out of your bike because you're an idiot. Fuck's sake, make sure you don't drop that. And you're just going to keep unscrewing this. And it's pretty much plug and play. You just have to, there's a pin, basically this pin here that pushes into the master cylinder. Basically get that off, and then you pull this up like so, and then the lever just pops out. This little rubber thing here, just hold it and then pull. There we go. And then what we're going to do is replacing that with this guy and on this lever. And again, it's a very simple install. Right, so on the back of this, I was trying to get this nut off. It's a 7mm. Whoever uses 7mm, fuck knows these days. Basically, you get this rubber thing, this rubber boot here, and you literally, you just pull it off. It feels like it's gonna break, but it's not. Don't worry. And then obviously you've got on this, you just align it like this, and you want it going the same way. So you want the thicker part going out, and you want to install this so that the smaller part is going through like so, I believe. And we are just going to whack a bit of grease on that because, yeah, it's better to have it all greased up than not, to be honest with you. And then I'm going to whack just a little bit inside there like that. I'm going to whack some on this rubber as well whilst we're here, just to, again, you may as well. Don't want to use too much. I'm going to add some to the pin in a minute as well. I'm also just going to add some to the pin whilst I'm here. Again, just to keep things from chafing too much. Right, so now we've got grease everywhere. We are just going to whack this back into place. So what we're going to do is we're going to whack this in this way, the smaller side of the pin pushing outwards, and then we're just going to locate that into the hole. It might be easier to actually put it in the hole and then whack it in. There we go, like that. And then we're just going to push that forward so we can then, there we go, right. And then I'm just going to see if that works. Then we're just going to start to tighten this up, and then before putting that bolt on it, just going to make sure that the brakes actually work. Just going to tighten that up, and then should hear the click, and we're just going to turn the bike on and just give it a go. So the light is coming on. Again, just want to make sure everything's all lined up here. Everything's all greased up, because you've got a button at the back there. That's what this plate holds in. This plate at the back, this pushes into the light switch here. And that feels pretty good. We've all got that seated in, and then we're just going to test that the actual brakes work themselves. They actually feel quite nice, those. They actually feel really nice. And that works fine. Now all there's need to do is to put the bolt on in the bottom, and we're done. No more than 5 Newton meters on these, by the way. Let's do this up. And that'll do. Now that feels great. And we'll see how it goes. Right, well, thank you so much for watching, boys and girls. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Until the next time, it's all about. See you soon. Goodbye.